Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're thinking about doing YouTube and you want to get started off right, there's going to be certain things that you need to buy. And so today I'm going to be going over my top 5 things that every new YouTuber should buy. And the thing is, I'm not going to be focusing on super expensive stuff. For example, I'm not going to tell you to go out and buy a camera. As a matter of fact, everything that I'm going to be talking about is related to your smartphone as your main camera. So let's go ahead and start with the very first thing that you should buy, and that is a microphone. Now, I prefer this one right here. This is the VideoMicro microphone. This is an awesome microphone. Not only will it work on cameras, but you can also plug this into your smartphone as well. So this is my recommendation. However, you don't have to spend a lot of money, and if you just want to get started, just take some earphones that you already have with the mic and use that instead. It's going to be better than the audio that's coming through your phone, and it's also going to reduce the amount of noise that you have around you. So that is the first thing. Audio is extremely important, and in many cases it's more important than the video itself. And so the second thing you need is some type of clamp. So a phone clamp like this. And so that way you could put this on your smartphone. And so why is this important? Well, it's important because of the number 3 thing that you should get, and that is some type of tripod. Now for myself, this is the tripod that I got. This is a mini Pixi tripod, but I also have a full-size tripod as well. And why this is cool with the clamp is the clamp has a hole right here. You could just go ahead and screw this in here, and you could also screw it through this way as well. And then what you effectively have is a gear setup for your quote-unquote camera that you could simply take around with you, put your mic there, just record as you go. And since it is a tripod, you could also adjust it right there. And there's also a bar right here. You could adjust where you want the angle to be. So this is a must if you're going to be doing YouTube, especially if you're going to be walking around and stuff. I think this is an awesome combination that'll go well whenever you're shooting videos. And so another thing that you should have that I think will greatly enhance your quality is to have some type of lighting. And so let me show you an example of how this looks like without the lighting. And so here we have the same video in the same place without the lightings that I have. And as you could probably tell, this doesn't look great at all. And so let's go back with the lighting. Let's go ahead and turn that back on. And so now the lighting is back on. As you could probably tell, it looks way better. And so what's the last thing that every new YouTuber should get? Well, in my opinion, I think you should get some type of camera bag. Even though you don't have a camera yet, this will still allow you to hold a lot of different things, you know. With all those accessories that you have here, you could also put your smartphone here, you can put your mic. There's so many things you could carry here, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Like this bag that I have here, I got it for like less than $40. And you could get bags that are cheaper, but this is specifically made for cameras, and I love it. And so those are my top 5 things that you should have as a new YouTuber. You should get a microphone, you should get a phone clamp, a tripod, lighting, and finally the camera bag. And all of these things will greatly enhance not only your video and audio quality, but also for you producing your videos as well. Because whenever I started out, all I really did was just start with my smartphone, and it took me a while to figure out that I needed a few other things. And if you actually put all of these things together, you're probably going to be spending like less than $150, maybe even less if you could find great deals. And so those are my thoughts on that. And if you did want to get the same type of equipment that I have, I do have affiliate links for all of these. If you want to support the channel, I'll leave that in the description area below. And also, I did reviews on each one of these things that I'm talking about, and I'll also leave my Geek Gear playlist in the description area as well. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you have some of this gear already, or maybe you have some of your own top lists of things that you should buy as a new YouTuber, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.